Gracias.
Off to the Cascada de Meco. If you speak Spanish, it's a funny name, but that's where we're going. We got 5 hours to make it.
I hope this
road works. Yeah, GPS isn't working. We'll figure it out. Woo! Is there a hotel for the night?
The fan's gone.
There's no fan. The lady at the front said, don't do it. Don't walk on the streets past 10 p.m. And I said, why not? She said, the cartels. I'm like, no, it's not real. And she said, no, it's real. Around here, it's real. 10 p.m. Don't be out on the street. So we're about to test it.
Oh my gosh, shut the fuck.
We're not. Last night was the first night where we wanted to go out and do stuff, at least walk around, and everybody said, no, whatever you do, it's not recommended. I said, why? And they said, oh, the bad guys with the trucks. I'm like, okay, what does that mean? Are they armed? And then he said, his slang was, oh, they are armed up the ass, like, do not go. So I'm like, okay, whatever. I asked someone else. I walked down the street to try and get Wi-Fi, and they escorted us. And then on the way back, they like whistled. It wasn't even far. It was maybe like 20 meters. Moral of the story is, you know, it's pretty safe. Just don't go out at night in certain areas. This morning, again, I asked, what would they do? And they said, you know, there was a family that left here, and we told them he's getting eaten by fire ants, but they told us there was a family, we told them not to drive at night. They decided to drive, and they didn't, you know, they left them with a vehicle, but they took all their money and their cell phones, etc. So there are rules, you just have to follow them. Also, check out this waterfall. Oh, there he is. ¿A dónde? ¿Aquí?
Sí, ahí en esa que sigue es una cuadra hacia allá y ahí sí venden cerveza porque aquí no venden cerveza.
Ah, okay.
Si quiere pípele para que se pague.
For beers? Or no?
We want beers?
You had asked earlier.
Do we want beers?
One each? We have to go quarter block that way.
Should we do it or not?
Yeah.
Alright, we might as well get 4 each.
When in Rome. Or Mexico.
Familias de mexicanos, les digo de todas partes casi he traído aquí.
Lo voy a decir en inglés, si está bien, en la cámara. So he's saying there's not a lot of Americans that pass through here. There's like Filipinos, people from Spain, etc. And he says, oh, it's because I think that in America, they're scared that they always tell them, don't come here, they will rob you, steal from you, etc. And he said, I think if you come with that mentality, something might happen. But like the people from Spain, they're very like chill. It's like your friend, he just asked like, hey, can I just use your motorcycle instead? But I don't really see a lot of Americans. There's sometimes I see them, but not many. And I'm like, yeah, hell yeah. So here we are, seizing the moment. And Jan's up there on the bike.
Agosto no, porque el agua llega hasta acá arriba.
He's saying that the water, normally this is full of water, like in August, you cannot cross here, but right now it's dry. So that's why we can go to this waterfall. Yo, the Honda CR-V is coming in clutch.